There are only two animals on the planet that the Creator identifies himself with. The first one is the eagle, and the second animal is the lion. And when I identify those two animals as his favorite to identify himself with, I recognize I better study these two animals. Because if he is the leader of the universe and I want to be a leader on the earth, I better find out the nature of these animals and also attitude of these animals. And I discovered that both of them are the kings of their domain. The eagle is the king of the bird kingdom. The lion is the king of the animal kingdom. But let's talk a little bit about the lion. The lion has what I call the spirit of leadership. And this word spirit here is referring to attitude. Everybody's attitude. A leader has attitude that makes him or her different from followers. Now the lion is the king of the jungle. But the lion to me is a great source of encouragement to all of us. I want you to write this down, remember. This as long as you live. Number 1. The lion is not the tallest animal in the jungle. Number 2. The lion is not the largest animal in the jungle. Number 3. The lion is not the heaviest animal in the jungle. Number 4. The lion is not the smartest animal in the jungle or the most intelligent animal in the jungle. And yet when he shows up, they all run away. Well, here's my one of favorite quote that I always say, and I believe it really brings home the point. An army of sheep led by a lion will always defeat an army of lions led by a sheep. And the answer to that dilemma is this: because leadership can transform coward into violent warriors. The right kind of leadership can transform a timid into bold people who are fearless. Leadership is that powerful. Leadership can walk into camp of depressed people, and in 20 minutes they have turned on into unbelievable powerful armies. Because leadership determines everything. The lion is the king of the jungle. Because of one word, attitude. Everybody say attitude. Write it down, attitude. The lion has a different attitude that makes every animal afraid of him. Now we don't want to lead by fear, but it does take respect for you to become a leader. When I use the word fear in the jungle, we're talking about respect. The elephant respects the lion. The hyenas respect the lion. The giraffes, they respect the lion. What makes these massive animals respect such small cat? The attitude is the difference. For example, a lion will see an elephant. The thing that comes off his mind, one word: lunch. I could eat this thing. And he acts the way he thinks now. Here's another amazing mystery. The elephant is larger, bigger, stronger, more powerful, heavier, and more intelligent. And yet when the elephant sees the lion, one word comes to mind: eater. Attitude is the product of belief. You cannot have an attitude beyond your belief. So your attitudes come from your belief system. The lion is the king because of what believes about himself.